Hello guys! Today I've got the MacBook Neo and I'm going to show you how to use the State Manager. So actually this is very easy issue to cover. The first thing to do is to open multiple applications in your view. For example, as I can see here, 3, so let me open for example 4th, like photos, maps, and etc. Just let me open some applications. Now you need to open settings. Here go to the desktop and dock, and now here scroll down to the desktop and State Manager. As you can see here, we've got the State Manager option. Click this option over here, and now as you can see we have very different view. Let me open application, and as you can see here, maybe not this one, and here as I can see we have State Manager. We can switch between applications over here if they are not in the full screen. If they are in the full screen, we'll be redirected to this application, that's it. And as I can see, that's how it works. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.